Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for the first time. First, understand your credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow, and your interest rate, typically ranging from 15 to 25%. Always aim to pay your entire statement balance by the due date to avoid any interest charges. Begin by using your card for small, everyday purchases you can easily pay off, like a $20 grocery bill or a $10 coffee. Building a strong credit score is crucial. A key tip is to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your total available credit. For example, if your limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. Consistently making all your payments on time is the most significant factor, accounting for about 35% of your score. Also, regularly review your credit report for accuracy. To avoid common pitfalls, never spend more than you can comfortably pay back each month. Overspending can quickly lead to debt. Be very wary of cash advances. They typically come with immediate high interest rates, often 25% or more, and additional fees. Always read the fine print to understand all potential fees, including annual fees, which can be $50 or more, and late payment charges, which might be up to $40. Once you are comfortable, explore the benefits. Many cards offer rewards, such as 1 to 5% cashback on purchases or valuable travel points. Setting up automatic payments for your full balance is a smart way to ensure you never miss a due date, protecting your credit score. Finally, always review your monthly statement thoroughly for any unauthorized charges or billing errors, typically within 60 days of the statement date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.